So let's take a more in-depth look at how to track our packages. So if you are a user that has signed up with this shipping company, or anybody who is using this software, it's quite easy to search for your packages. So right here we have our tracking number, which is the number given to us from Amazon, eBay, Shein, or wherever you bought your item. This number is what you've entered into the system. Now here is our reference number. The reference number refers to the number that is given to our package by our shipper. So this is the number we can ask our shipper in regards to what has happened to this package. The item's name is listed here. So this is a gold ring, so we can see. The declared price is very important. The declared price refers to the price that we said we have paid for this particular item. So in this situation, it would be $563.02. This is what we've declared that we've paid. The assigned price is the price that we will pay to clear this item when it enters our country. This price is assigned by the shipper. The status is what situation or what has happened to our package, or where it is or in the delivery process. So now it's saying the item is accepted by the courier, which is our shipper. Besides it, we see actions. Actions are very important. We have the ability to delete this package out of the system. Let's just say we no longer want it listed because we, for some reason, don't want the shipper to have it. We have the ability to edit the package. Let's just assume that there was an error when we listed the package originally and we don't want it listed with this error. We can edit it right here. Now, when we see this $sign, it means to view the package, to view whatever price or custom charges have been assigned to the package. If there is no custom charges, when we click on this, it will simply have an empty $sign, meaning there's no assigned price. When we click on that button, we actually see details that we've entered about the package. The reference number is displayed. The sender's information, which is the company or store that you bought this item from, is displayed. In this case, it is Amazon. The invoice number, which we originally gave to the shipper, is right here. Your invoice number is not your reference number. Your invoice number is the tracking number that originally came with your package. Your reference number is the tracking number that your shipper has now assigned to your package. This is more useful for you because now you can tell what has happened with your package since your shipper has received it. There are no two reference numbers that are ever alike. The reference number is unique to this particular package. It never is duplicated. Now let's close it with the button at the bottom. Okay, so we know more about our package. What happens if we click search? If we click search under the reference number, we are able to get more details. So we found out that this item has been accepted by the courier, which is also our shipper. We get to view the whatever invoice that we've uploaded to the shipper's system, and we get to see what the assigned price was. If there is no price here, That means there was never a price assigned as yet.